guys, welcome back to my channel. This is one of my most requested video. One of my most requested video. Okay, do your watch collection. Show us your watch collection after I have individually reviewed few of my watches. So I thought, why not do it today? So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys my chotu watch collection that I have, collected over few years. So yes, without much blabbering, chalo, let's quickly get started with today's video. And like always, मैं सारी चीज़ें डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी, आप लोग ज़रूर चेक कर लेना. आज के इस वीडियो में I have watches ranging from 700 to 13,000 rupees. So you do get a variety of watches to choose from if you want to go ahead and buy any of these watches. So the very first watch that I have is this Casio Chotu Sa silver vintage watch that I bought during my bachelor's college life, and I was totally obsessed with it. And vintage watches ka time tab aa raha tha, and it was absolutely heavily in demand, बहुत ज़्यादा popular हो रहा था. So it was just the starting of them becoming popular. So I desperately wanted to get my hands on. So मैंने ये वाला watch लिया था silver छोटू सा Casio का watch लिया था from Flipkart, and it was just for 700 rupees. So it does not, ठीक है, ये अभी काम नहीं करता. मैं इसे अभी ज़्यादा पहनती नहीं हूँ. It's been a while since I have worn this watch. So it's quite old, काफ़ी पुराना वॉच है. मैं इसे पहनती नहीं हूँ, तो आप देख पा रहे हो इसका हालत क्या है. ये ना चलता है. It's totally dead. So I really want to go ahead and clean this up. इसमें मैं बैटरी लगाऊंगी, and then I'll start wearing this, because this right here again is becoming very popular. This vintage smaller dial watches are becoming very popular. So I have one with me. So I just have to go ahead and trim this and battery डाल के it's gonna be all ready. So yeah, this is what the first watch looks like, which is so tiny yet it looks super classic. The second watch is something that is not mine. ऐसे अक्सर होता है ना कि हम अपने siblings का कुछ ले लेते हैं and वो भी भूल जाते हैं, हम भी भूल जाते हैं, and then it's like वो हमारे हो जाते हैं. So this is what happened with this watch. ये मेरी दी का है, but then I took it from her to wear college के किसी function में मैं पहनना चाह रही थी this watch, because I was absolutely crushing on this watch at that time during my bachelor's life, and I took it and I completely forgot to give it back. And then दी तो अब दिल्ली में रहती है, so that's when she shifted, and she also forgot about it, and that's how I have it. I have worn again this for a very long time. Again, this watch and the silver Casio watch, I have worn them all throughout my bachelor's life, and I thoroughly enjoyed them. So this is the Timex ka watch, has a dual tone strap that is just absolutely gorgeous, and ये rose gold and silver का है, and then अंदर भी इसका rose gold है. So this is what it looks like, absolutely gorgeous, very old. And यहाँ border की तरफ यहाँ आपको इस तरीके का छोटे stone के आपको design and detailing मिल जाएगा. I'll just go ahead and give you guys a zoom up shots, do not worry. So again, this is what the second watch looks like. I don't know the price, don't know anything कि ये कितने का है. If I find a very similar piece, I will go ahead and link it in my description box, so go ahead and check it out. आपको तो पता ही होगा कि smaller dial वाले watches बहुत ज़्यादा popular हो रहे हैं अभी तो. It is full blown in trend. Before it was even a thing, I was in desperate search of smaller dial के watches. क्यों? Because I have a very narrow wrist. ठीक है, कोई भी normal dial के sizes मेरे पे suit नहीं होते, because obviously they look so huge on my wrist, and so I'm always in desperate search of smaller dial वाले watches. बहुत सारे brands they are coming up with smaller dial, but बीच में ना the smaller dial were not in trend. People were not even asking for it. If you go ahead and check out the पुराने वाले styles के watches, then you will find छोटे dial के watches, and that's what I did. ठीक है, 20 या फिर 21 को मैंने ये दो watch मैंने लिया था, and oh boy, I love them so very much. Again, before buying the Casio का watch that I wear 24/7, I bought this too. So this two are from Titan and they look so nice. Tend to go ahead and wear this very often. Again, I've seen a lot of people now buying this, but I bought this like years back and it just looks so nice. Looks absolutely brand new. Abhi tak ke brand new hi lagta hai because it just looks and the quality is just absolutely gorgeous. And मैं इसे पहनूंगी नहीं, ठीक है, because I have nails, तो हल्का सा मेरे लिए tough हो जाता है to open up stuff. But this is how the watch looks like, absolutely gorgeous. So if you're someone who struggles with smaller, wrist, trust me, इस तरीके का वॉच आप ले सकते हो. बहुत ही चीप है ये, अराउंड लाइक 1100-1200 rupees. I bought this for like 1200 rupees each from a nearby store near my home. These are just so perfect for someone who struggles with narrow wrist. You can stack up your watches, you can wear lots of bracelets, lots of jewelry, and that's how you can absolutely go ahead and look gorgeous. You can go ahead and buy stuff like this without absolutely spending a fortune on it, and आप इसे stack up कर सकते हो with your jewelry, your watches, and look looking gorgeous. If you have been following my channel, if you have subscribed to my channel for a while, you will know that I fell in love with this watch right here, and this is my go-to watch. ठीक है, आप कभी भी मुझसे मिलोगे, this is what I'll be wearing 24/7. जब भी मैं पैर डालती हूँ ना बाहर, घर के बाहर, to go out somewhere, this will be on my wrist whenever I'm out. So this is the Casio vintage watch, and this is one of my most used watch. The best, 4,000 rupees spent, and I use this, all the time. It just looks so nice. It looks like I have put in, thoda sa effort to look good, to look put together, but I really didn't. So this is what the watch looks like. Absolutely gorgeous. And the best part about this was कि ये आराम से मेरे wrist के size के आराम से बैठ जाता है. So again, I have seen a lot of vintage series के watches that are so big, like the dials are on the bigger side, and I was like, oh, I want a vintage series wala, that a flat dial wale watches vintage series ka, but these are so big. But then I found this on Shopper Stop, and boy, I fell in love. The moment I wore this, try कर रही थी, I was like, ये मेरे wrist पे fit हो रहा है, please आप जल्दी से पहन कर दो. So yeah, that's how I bought this. And this is the best 4,000 rupees spent, पैसा वसूल है, and I would just wear this 24/7. A lot of you guys again loved this, watch, and आप में से इतने सारे लोगों ने ये watch खरीदा. I'm like sure. आप मुझे DM करती हो कि देखो मैंने ये लिया आपके कहने पर, and you guys just love it. So I'm so happy that you guys are loving my recommendation. So this is worth every penny of yours. I have the last two watches right here. So let me show you this right here. So this is not something that I got, ठीक है, ये मैंने फास्ट्रैक के साथ काम किया था बोल के they had sent this watch, and you know what, मैं similar watch एक मैंने पहले दी थी, गिफ्ट की थी मेरी मम्मी को, and this is what it looks like. The one that I gifted her, it had a normal beige or a white color का dial. Obviously मम्मी को इतना चटक पसंद नहीं है, but this is something that I got gifted as a part of the collaboration. This is not usually my style, but मैं इसे पहनती हूँ. मैं इसे फेंक कर ऐसे साइड पे फेंक कर नहीं रखना चाह रही थी. So that's why I go ahead and wear it during my shoots, during my videos when I shoot. So this is what the watch looks like. As you can see, it has a very, I wouldn't say a very big dial, but something that I usually do not go for, something that is not my style. But ये हल्का सा मेरे wrist के लिए बड़ा है. Although it fits quite nice, but I still think that ये हल्का सा मेरे wrist के लिए बड़ा है, and this is not something that I usually go for. Like even the dial color is greenish blue. So I like something that's a little on the muted side, something that's classy. So that's why this is not something that I usually go for. But I tend to go ahead and use it because ये मेरे पास है, तो shoots के लिए, photos के लिए, videos के लिए ये मैं पहन लेती हूँ. So yeah, this is what the second last watch looks like, and the final watch looks like this. I have made a separate detailed video of this right here. कहाँ से ली हूँ, कितने में ली हूँ, कैसे ली हूँ, सब कुछ मैं बोल चुकी हूँ. So this is the last and my newest watch that I got last year. मैं अपने बर्थडे पे खुद को गिफ्ट दी हूँ आफ्टर गोइंग बैक एंड फोर्थ कि इतना महंगा मैं वॉच ले रही हूँ. दिस इज समथिंग एक्सपेंसिव दैट आई गिफ्टेड माई सेल्फ अदर देन ऑल द इक्विपमेंट्स, द हैवी expensive equipments that I have to buy. Other than that, This is, the first time I've gifted something to myself that's quite expensive. So this is the last watch that I have. I got this last year as a present to myself on my birthday, and this is what I have. It's from Fossil, and this is one of the nicest looking watch that I have. It's so beautiful. I mean, just look at this. And also, I was eyeing this. ये मेरे Instagram पे बार-बार ad आ रहा था, and it was a newest launch. I went ahead and saw this, and I was like, let's take it. So this is what I got. It's so beautiful, fits my wrist absolutely gorgeously, and देखो, oh my god, just look at how beautiful this looks. Fits absolutely gorgeous, has a dual tone color that will just go with Indian as well as Western wear, and that's why मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ कि अगर आप ले रहे हो कोई watch, एक आपके पास gold होना चाहिए, silver आपके पास होना चाहिए. But if you want to go ahead and buy something that's a little on the expensive side, then you can go for dual colors, ताकि आप Indian as well as Western wear के साथ पहन पाओ. This is what the last watch looks like. It just looks gorgeous, and I can just I usually go ahead and pair this with my bracelet. ठीक है, मैं आपको इसे पहन के दिखाती हूँ. It just looks so nice. Stack up your watches with your bracelet, and they just look so nice, so elegant, and so posh. So yeah, that is it for today's video, and I hope you guys like it. I will link every single watch and similar watches in my description box. So make sure to go ahead and check it out. And I will see you guys very soon. So take care and bye bye.